Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make beetroot egg pickles.
Look at this guys, beautiful. Did you know beetroot egg pickle originally came from the USA? It's super cool traditional recipe brought over by the Pennsylvania Dutch immigrants. Today is massive hit around the world, especially in the US, UK, Australia. People absolutely love it as a bar snack or appetizer. First we boil the beetroot and eggs, salt and keep it in the fire. After the boiling, start to peel. And guess what? This is absolutely ultimate dish for the Easter. Instead use artificial days to color the Easter eggs. People love to make beetroot egg pickles because it's natural, delicious and beautiful. Now beetroot cut it into like this beautiful even piece. After that take glass jar and arrange layer by layer. Beetroot eggs, beetroot eggs. Now we start to make pickling liquid. 50 ml water and vinegar, 25 sugar and 15 salt. Now everything mix very well. Pour into the jar. And keep it in the chiller 2 days. After 2 days it look like this. Remove the whole pickle into the plate and cut it into the 1 by 2. Look at this guys, beautiful color. Whole egg yolk, put it into the blender cup. And 1 raw egg, vinegar, salt, pepper and some smoked paprika, corn oil. Now take a hand blender and start to blend from the bottom. Look at this fluffy mayonnaise. Now beautifully pipe, just like this. Finish it with pomegranate and some dill leaves. Wow, gorgeous.
Let's try some. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.